My name is Julian. I'm going to teach you guys how to make a pizza from scratch at your house.
To make this is flour, sugar, salt, oil, water, pizza yeast, tomato sauce, cheese, and any toppings. First, you're going to add 2 cups of flour into a big mixing bowl. And then add 2 tablespoons of salt into the bowl. Then you're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Vegetable oil should work fine. Any type of oil should really do the trick. Doesn't really matter as much. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of extra dry yeast into another cup. Different one. Use that. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to the cup. Then add 1.5 of warm water. Not too cold and not too hot because you want the pizza yeast to dissolve. So just let it sit there for 10ish minutes till it dissolves to activate it. And then once it's done, put it into the same bowl. Start mixing it with the dough. Use your hands and mix it till it's not sticky into the pizza dough. Add oil into it. Let it sit there for an hour. And then take it out, roll it, add your sauce, add cheese and any type of toppings on it. Put it in the oven for about 10ish minutes. Make sure it's super hot, and then there you go, is your pizza.